Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the DC power supply with a variable adjustment. It's a bench power supply with the encoder adjustment knob, output enable disable button, adjustable power supply with the USB quick charge, short circuit alarm. This one is the 30 volt and you could adjust up to 10 amp, and this is the black color. So originally this price was like $69.99, and it was on sale for $43.99 free shipping, but you got a plus tax on top of that. And then the second product is the BRURC 22.5 watt power delivery and quick charge, 3.0 fast charging, USB Type-C portable charger. It has 4 output, 3 input, compact battery pack or a power bank, up to 20,000 milliamp Henry with a LED display. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go and then check them out. So this one is the power bank. And they have many different color: white, blue, green, black, pink, and purple. Okay. So they come with this charging cable. And it shows 73% right now. So yeah, this one you could charge 4 different devices at the same time. And there's the input charging. You can use micro USB Type-C and then Lightning charging to charge this unit. So there's a Type A right here. I think this is the Type A fast charging, and then Type C. So this one could be input and output. And this is in. So the old one I had, there's like a wrist strap right here, and it's a Type C to Type C charging cable. Let's go and then open this up real quick. That is the model number, just in case. Come with this cable. Looks like a computer cable. And that is positive and negative cables. And right here is the instruction manual right here. Go and then check it out, the unit. Got the cooling fan right here on the back. There's a switch right here. You can switch to 240 volt or 110 volt. And right here is the connector right here. And the fuse is in here. I think I use let me use my hand. It's a fuse right here. Should say how many amp? Let's see. So this one is the 5 amp fuse. It's a pretty nice looking power supply. So right here is the on and off switch. Output, you could turn it on or off. So it's kind of redundant. So you press this, so the output could start give you like a voltage and current. So you got the positive right here, negative, and then this is the ground. And right here is the adjustment for the current. You could also press in. And right here is the voltage. Right here is a USB type A quick charge in case you need to charge your phone or your iPad or tablet or whatever. So let's go and then plug this in real quick. Oh, you could jump the digit for faster adjustment. Cool. So you could jump like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit. Same goes with the voltage. Yeah, 4 different digits to adjust. That's pretty awesome. And now you can press output, on and off here. Let me go get my multimeter to test it out, or to measure it. I need to open this up. So my digital multimeter shows 11.93. It's up by 0.07 volt. So which is good. I could adjust 12.07 become 12 volt on my meter. So you get more accurate on your meter reading, okay? I'm gonna test out my vacuum. To supply the voltage. Turn it on. It's on right now. Let's see. Let me crank up the voltage. Oh, maybe this one use some more current. How about just current? Yeah. So I adjust to 12 volt with the 6 amp. So yeah, with this kind of motor, yeah, use more current. So yeah, there you go. Let me turn it off. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Well, the wire is getting hot. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.